Welcome to our easy-to-use advertising platform. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple process of setting up your ad campaign in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, create a catchy title and choose an engaging landing page for your advert. This will grab your audience's attention and lead them to your desired destination. Next, select your ad objective. Whether you're looking to increase brand awareness, generate leads, or drive sales, our platform has options tailored to your goals. Now, it's time to upload your media creative. Choose eye-catching images or videos that showcase your brand and message effectively. In step 4, set up your audience and targeting preferences. Define your ideal customers by selecting demographics, interests, and behaviors that best match your target audience. Next, set your budget and duration. Our platform offers flexible options to suit your needs, whether you're launching a short-term campaign or looking for long-term engagement. Finally, review your campaign details and submit. Our platform will take care of the rest, ensuring your ad reaches your target audience effectively. And that's it! In just a few easy steps, you've set up your ad campaign on our user-friendly advertising platform. So, what are you waiting for? Start creating your next successful campaign today. Dynaton data, simply delivering results for all.